Healthcare 2013 Mozart Park.
Gentlemen, welcome to the 20th Annual Health Fair, sponsored by the Northwest Health Advisory Council.
Put an emphasis on children with back-to-school physicals so they can be healthy on the first day of school. Provide them with the shots for tots, give them the special needs if they have any, provide the counseling or the resource on where to go. But here you get direct services, and every imaginable service is here. We're the most comprehensive health fair in one site, anywhere in the city of Chicago or around the state of Illinois, sponsored by a member of the General Assembly. We see here about 3,500 people, and it's probably capped at about that or 3,800. But we'll know because of the application process, and we do an assessment of this fair. And we have been sort of voted the largest fair at the end of the summer, because many of these providers do a lot of small fairs, and they say here they really have to work hard. As someone who worked once upon a time in child welfare and worked in public safety in parole and probation, I've been able to use some of that experience and working with a bunch of wonderful professionals. These professionals are the ones who advise me, and so therefore I get a lot too much credit. I do the fundraising and make sure that this event, which takes about $50,000, is raised, and I've done that for 20 years now. Children, when they get pricked by a needle, they're going to cry. Give them a book bag with school supplies and it'll make them smile. So we're going to continue to help people to combine education, public safety, and health that truly makes a strong citizen. This community is a very mixed community with a large emphasis on a population of Latinos, which is the majority of my district. Within that population, we have a variety of nationalities that come from countries that are still struggling with immigration issues, are struggling with, as just everyone else, being single moms or having to be underemployed. And as you notice, this is a working class community, like Senator Delgado pointed out earlier. These are homes within a park called Mozart Park, and it's within a barrio, within a community, a neighborhood. And because of that, it's very homey, and I think one of our friends here just pointed out, it's very community, family oriented. And we do this because over the last 10 years, with cutbacks in human services, public health, we always knew there was a need to provide health care, but now it's become even more concerning when the city, the county, the state, the federal government, so they must trust someone. So since I do a lot of work with them in public safety, on immigration issues, housing issues, we're able to capture all of their needs. Dedicating this 20th year, very special year, to Sylvia Moyet, who is a state employee, 13 years with me in my 15-year term, my 15-year tenure, and because of that, I feel very happy and sad today, but because she passed away, and we buried her about 2 weeks ago in her native Puerto Rico, and now her spirit is with us, and she's the real driving force behind this committee, and I get to put my name on it as host. And today we dedicate this fair to Sylvia Moyet and Isabel Cárdenas, who we lost 2 of our members to cancer.